Nick and I are here back again with another model from KZ. This is our KZ Escape 181 MK. Really awesome floor plan. It's one of the newest floor plans. Again, KZ's continuing to come out with all the innovation and new designs. So keep your eyes on the KZs. They're really making a wave in the RV industry right now. I'm noticing some new topography and decals on these, Nick. Man, these are really nice with the mountainous topography and everything. They look really cool.
Yeah, we definitely designed them for some pop this year, so
yes,
wanted them to stand out.
Gotcha.
And I do want to point out too that the Escape is more of our lightweight laminated brand. So you know, those vehicles that can't tow the you know, the 8,000, 7,000 pound units, these are going to be more in your 3,000 to 4,000 pound range. So,
yeah. This particular one's only 3,500 pounds.
Yep, 3,500
so you
pounds.
can tow it with a light duty half quarter ton truck, even with a small SUV. So you all don't have those big half ton or 3/4 ton trucks. This was the one for you.
Yep.
Right at 22 foot long, so easy to store. It as you come around here, you have the propane electric quick recovery water heater. You also have your fresh tank fill section here, along with a nice spray port. These are always good to have with pets and kids, and also around the dump station. So also another great feature to have. Look how big this slide is. That really opens up a lot of space on the inside, don't you think?
Mm-hmm, it does.
All right, and as you come around here, around the back, you can see here we got the Escape with the campfire there. This is a 30 amp coach, single axle, so it has the off-grid package, right?
Yep, correct.
And the off-road package. So what does that come with, Nick?
So in the off-road, we call it the off-road off-grid package. What you get is you get the off-road tires, and then you get in the little bit taller suspensions. You get 2 inches taller suspension in there. Then in the off-grid part of it, you get a 100 watt solar panel on the roof. You get a 1200 watt inverter, and then you get the solar controller on the inside, along with electric tank heating pads on the tanks, so that again you can extend your camping season a little bit longer.
Absolutely, yeah. These are really nice. So I'm really in love with these. Lightweight fiberglass with aluminum framing. So this is a great coach to keep you off grid for a long time. So as you come on around here, you got your dump stations there, easy to access. It's also equipped with the additional external satellite port. You get a nice off-grid spare tire too, so if you do have a problem, you got a spare that matches up with the same size as the rest of the tires. So also another great feature. Something new with the Escapes I've noticed too is they now have a fiberglass, no, not a fiberglass, but a TPO roof, right? Or
that's correct, roof? With a lifetime warranty on it.
Absolutely, lifetime warranty on that roof. That's awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's a really good feature there. That's come new with the KZ Escapes. Pretty much a full-length awning. I mean, I can just imagine having this awning out. Covers the whole campsite, so you can sit here. You got a nice little outlet. You can plug in anything you need outside. This track here is for the griddle, right? It comes along with the griddle and a bicycle rack. So outside kitchen and the bike rack. This is for the adventurous people, right?
Yep, you get a little quick connect down here so you can plug right in your gas line. So
it feeds right from the bottle up front, right?
Yep, right from the bottle.
All right,
we don't have to bring along your own.
Okay, gotcha. Notice here you got a spot for your low point drain, so that's easy to winterize and get prepared for the storage in the winter. So one thing I did notice here is you all are partnering with Lion's Head to do the tire warranties also, haven't you?
That's correct. Yep.
All right, so they
have a great warranty program that they do.
Absolutely, yeah. And again, just like in the Connect, you have the leash latch and also the beverage opener for your Topo Chicos. Asdale is a big feature now. I'm noticing a lot of manufacturers are using. Asdale, for y'all that don't know, traditionally it was the Luan, which is organic wood-based material, right?
100%.
Behind the fiberglass skin. This is actually, the Asdale is actually a blend of plastic and fiberglass, I believe.
Yes, that's
so
correct.
It's a lot lighter in weight, insulates a little better, and
it doesn't wick water.
That's the main thing. So you're not going to worry about molding or mildew or anything like that. So great feature. Such a small coach with a lot of big features. So you got the solid step with the oversized grab handle, along with the leash latch comes the screen defender with the screenshot door. So your little fur buddies you bring along, or your big fur buddies, they won't get the clawing at the screen real bad. So that's another great feature. Again, this camper is only 3,500 pounds, so you can tow it with just about anything. I think some Jeeps have that tow capacity, so it's a great little marry with a Jeep too. So as we can go on inside, all right. Another good feature I forgot to mention is it has a window on the door. I know we missed that, but that has a window outside, so you can actually see outside the door and have a lot of natural light in here. There's windows all over the place in here. So
yeah, opening windows too.
Yes, yes, functioning. So you'll be able to see just about anything no matter where you are. You got a great size bed here, great for sleeping for 2 or 3 or however many you need, with a nice automotive grade window up in the front. All your windows have blackout shades, so you can either keep those covered. One thing I really love is the new European style cabinetry in wood. That is really nice. A lot of great storage overhead here. Lots of great storage. Over the whole front cap there, you got just storage galore. So plenty of good storage there.
Yeah, and to your point, Brian, the smaller coach having all that storage, that's the whole goal is you know, they can take a lot of the stuff along with them.
Yes, sir. Need, so. Yes, sir. Great feature. Nice big booth dinette. So this also converts into a sleeper. So you can possibly sleep 3 to 4 people in this RV easily. For something this size, that's a big benefit there. We also talked about some of the features with the off-grid and off-road package is the solar, right? So along with the solar, you get a Bluetooth speaker that you can use outside, but it also has a 1,000-watt inverter. So that's just extending your stay off-grid. Yep. So it's a great feature to keep you off-grid without, you know, compromising any power or anything. So
yeah, and we actually give you a plug-in right here that says inverter recept that you can plug in your coffee pot or whatever that way it'd run off your battery.
Gotcha. Yeah, all right. So a lot of great storage here. I mean, for a compact coach, you really don't lose any countertop space. For those of you like to put together all your meals and just have them out, man, there's a lot of great countertop space. A great deep sink here with this bamboo cutting board and sink cover. So you got a high-rise faucet, so you can get some of your bigger dishes inside and wash your hands without having to spill water all over the place. It's another great feature. Got a 2-burner stove top here that's propane, and still more countertop space. You got outlets all over, so you can plug in your different coffee pots and you know, margarita machines or whatever you want to plug in out here, Keurigs and all. So talked about storage. I mean, the storage in these just continues to go on and on. Right in here you see your 12-volt 30-amp solar charge controller. So that's going to be with the solar panels up top. That's how you control and monitor the power you got going in and out of these. But I'm in love with these new European cabinetry, man. That is really nice. Has a really nice touch to it. So
yeah, they're nice and solid too. Real solid door.
Yeah, very, very solid. Closing up good and real heavy built. So also you have this 12-volt 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Again, that's running off of the battery, so I can really stay off grid and keep my stuff cold with this fridge, right? A lot of good features. Here's a USB charge controller here to charge up your Bluetooth speaker or your phones or whatever you need to charge up. You'll find these conveniently located all throughout the coach. So there's your thermostat for your AC, and here's a nice kitchen. So we have a great molded shower pan there, and a nice deep sink and medicine cabinet with lights and everything inside of there also. So this is going to be really compact without compromise, right?
Exactly.
I love that. I mean, it's small, lightweight, but you don't really lose anything. Nope. You actually gain quite a bit having this small coach. I see y'all even have them prepped with the tire link system, so you can put tire pressure monitoring system on it as well.
Exactly.
And keep up with your tire pressure on the road. So This is just one of many floor plans y'all have available in the KZ Escape. So I wish we could show them all to you, but I want y'all to come out and take a look. Visit our website. Stay tuned in. We'll have more to come. I think we're going to do another walkthrough and take a look at another one as well. So let's go on over to the next one. All right, so here we are again in the KZ Escape. It's Nick Francis here and Brian Davis. We're at the McLean's Virtual RV Show. Welcome back. We just stepped out of the Escape 181 MK. Now we're in a very similar coach. It's the 181 RB.
Yep, exactly.
So this one has the rear bath, same size, virtually the same weight. The difference here is you have a walk-around king bed.
Queen bed.
Queen bed.
Yeah, queen bed, yep.
Yeah, absolutely. So there's plenty of room to get around. I know I've heard a lot of people, this is really easy to make this bed. So I got plenty of room to climb in and climb out. You know, you don't lose any storage. You still have your great windows and natural light coming inside.
You also get underbed storage. You get the water tank under there also.
Gotcha.
Yep.
All right, these are really great features, man, and I like the phrase compact without compromise, because you really don't lose anything. You still have great countertop space with the deep sink. This one also has the off-grid off-road package, so you have your solar, your inverter, and your off-road tires. It's lifted a little bit. Got your Bluetooth speaker and everything. So one of the differences in this one is the rear bath. This rear bath is really large, so you got plenty of room and lots of storage inside of there. Tank heaters easily accessed there with just a switch of a button there, and a really big closet. I'll open up this closet for you, my cameraman, so you can see how much hanging space you actually get inside of this coach. So awesome camper here. Storage galore. I've noticed that there isn't a lot of wasted space in these, Nick, so you really take up a lot of space, or utilize the space quite well with everything you need. So
yeah, we always try to put storage wherever we can.
Absolutely.
We don't like having blank spaces. We like to put cabinet doors there so you can actually use them as real storage.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
I know our consumers would like that too. So these also have, can you explain the air conditioning in these? I know cooling these off and heating them up is a big thing, especially here in Texas. Our weather fluctuates a lot. So
yeah, so this is just your standard, what we would call a dump AC. You don't have the racetrack system.
Gotcha.
Where you have vents in it. So basically all your controls are right here. So you turn the AC on right here with these controls.
Gotcha.
But in a coach this size, this has no problem cooling it. I mean, it'll freeze you out of here if you know, leave it on full.
Yes, sir.
As cold as it gets. So
gotcha. Yeah. One other feature I mentioned too, and a lot of people are loving, there's no carpet. There's no carpet. There are no heat ducts in the floor. So a lot of times when you're off grid, you're doing a lot of outside activities. So you may come in with rocks, mud, or whatever on your shoes and your feet. So you don't have to worry about those getting caught in the heat vents, as they're going to be vertical against the wall and pumping out a lot of heat. So this is definitely a great climate controlled coach here. And you've seen it here at McLean's RV.